Yeah, see the next one. See the given three wires. Okay, they join like this, and they're asking to find magnetic field at this point. Okay, magnetic field at this point. So divide this wire into some parts. This is part 1. Let us suppose this is 2, and this is something part 3. Okay, due to 1, see this point is at one end of the wire. Due to 2 also same. This is at one end of the wire. So due to 1 and 2, field is same. Due to 1, 2, field is same. So field is same means like a one end. So let us suppose if it is alpha, there is no beta here, and this is L. This is also L, and this is diagonal. So this is also how much? Root 2L. So this is also root 2L, and this is also root 2L. So B1, B2 will be equivalent to mu naught I by 4 pi L sin alpha plus sin beta. Sin alpha plus sin beta means 1 by root 2. Okay, and for this one, this is inward. Of course, for second conductor also, this is inward. For second conductor also, this is the point O. If you take alpha, again this is root 2, again this is L, same. So B1, B2 same. Let us get the B3 value. B3. For this B3, and see this distance is equivalent to, total is root 2L, and this is root 2L by 2. So L by root 2. D is clear. For third one, D is L by root 2, and again alpha beta. So take this as alpha, and this is beta for this third conductor. Okay, one angle is alpha, other angle is beta. So B3 is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi L by root 2 sin alpha plus sin beta. Of course, alpha beta are same. So let me write directly 2. So alpha beta same means 2 of sin alpha, otherwise sin beta. Sin alpha is, so this is root 2L. See, opposite. See, this is opposite. How much this one from here to here is L by root 2. Otherwise, directly we can write this is 45. Because these two are perpendicular. 45. 2 sin 45 plus sin 45. So alpha beta are 45 plus 45. So sin 45, sin 45. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2. Nothing but root 2. Okay, this is root 2, and 1 more root 2 is downside. Okay, and this is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2, root 2, and this is mu naught I, 2 times of mu naught I by 4 pi L, and see, for this one, this is a left side. Okay, and if this point O is right side, inward, but here the left side, so this is outward. If I hold the conductor in this direction, this is inward field, and this side is outward. So this is outward. See, one is inward, this is inward, and this is outward. Now the net field is B1 plus B2 plus B3. What is B1? B1, B2 are same. So B1, B2 are same. Let me write 2 times. Mu naught I by 4 pi L 1 by root 2 into the board plus mu naught I by 4 pi L and 2 times. Okay, so everywhere 2 is common. Mu naught I by 4 pi L is common, so you will get 1 by root 2. Okay, and this is 1 by root 2 inward plus 1 outward. 1 by root 2 in, 1 out. So out of these two, so this is 1. This is 1 by root 2 means 0.707. This is less, this is more. So you will get highest value is this one, 1 minus 1 by root 2. And highest value we have outward direction, outward. Okay. Now the answer is mu naught I by 2 pi L root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay. So outward. So based on the given option, you change these calculations. Okay, calculation is left to you only. So based on given options, you verify the calculations. And see here, just identify which value is highest. Just you subtract highest value minus lowest value. If highest value have inward field, you write inward direction. If highest value have outward field, you write outward directions. Okay, calculation is left to you. Okay. Again, see they given one simple problem. So regular question this is. Two infinite wires are given, and this is carries something 10 ampere current. Okay. And this carries 20 ampere current. They are asking to find field at this point O, and this distance is given 0.2 meter, otherwise 0.2 centimeter. This is something 0.3 centimeters is given. They are asking to find field at point O. Now see, divide the wires. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and current is given 20. Due to 1, point O is along the wire. Due to 3, along the wire. So due to 1, 3, there is no magnetic field because point O is along the wire. You know that. Due to 2, see, for this one, this side is in and this side is out. Just you hold the conductor like this. Inward and point O is left, outward. Okay. So B2 is how much? Mu naught I by, see this is an infinite wire, 1 end. Infinite wire 1 end formula mu naught I by 4 pi d, mu naught I by 4 pi r. So mu naught I by 4 pi d, and this is outward. So mu naught is mu naught is 10 raised to minus 7 because 4 pi is there. 4 pi cancelled. I nothing but how much? 10 by d, 0.2 centimeter. Okay. So this is 10 raised to minus 5. Okay. And this is minus 3. So minus 3 minus 4, 5. Okay. And see this is because of 2. Let us find because of 4. Because of 4, again same. Mu naught I by 4 pi d. Mu naught is 10 raised to minus 7. Current is 20. This is 0.3. 10 raised to minus 2. Again minus 5. And here minus 1 is there. So 20 by 3. 10 raised to minus 4. And due to this also outward, both are outward. Now if both are outward, just you add it d3 plus d4. So d3 is 5, 10 raised to minus 5, 20 by 3, 10 raised to, sorry, this is minus 4. Verify the calculations and you will get 5 plus 20 by 3, 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla, and here it is outward. Okay, 15 and 35 by 3, 10 raised to minus 4 outward, and this is Tesla. Okay, simple question. Okay, based on given values, just you extend the calculations. Now let us see some good questions. See the question. See the question is a long infinite straight current carrying conductor. A long infinite straight current carrying conductor bent at the midpoint. Okay. that is given in the diagram. Bent at the midpoint as shown. Then they are asking again the same pattern. Find magnetic field at O. See the given like this. See, this is the long infinite. Okay, long nothing but infinite. Okay, infinite straight current carrying conductor bent at the midpoint. Okay, bent at the midpoint. And they are asking to find field at a point O. See, they given the point O like this. Point O they given here. At a distance of A. This is also at a distance of A. So the target is to find out field at this point. Carries current I. If current is given something 5 ampere, you substitute the values. See, these are the two infinite wires. Okay, and this point is not at one end. Okay, this is not at one end. Now let us find field due to this and due to this, and due to both will be equal because distance is same. Okay, here join a line. No doubt this angle is how much? 45, because these two are perpendicular, 45. And here to join this, you drop a straight line. Here one angle is 90, other angle is how much? 45. So for 1 and 2, same, d1, d2 are equal. Mu naught I by 4 pi d. D nothing but A. D nothing but A. Sin 90 plus sin 45. So mu naught I by 4 pi A sin 90 plus sin 45. 1 plus 1 by root 2. And due to this invert, due to this also invert, right side into the board and into the board. Okay. And see, this is given B2. Net field is 2 times mu naught I by 4 pi A 1 plus 1 by root 2. If you multiply this 2, mu naught I by, okay, 4 pi A root 2. Sorry, if I multiply this is 2 plus root 2 into the board. Okay, so this into the board in vector form we can represent with k cap. Minus k cap nothing but into the board. Now see the next question. So try to maintain the question. Here I am writing outline. See the next one. They given two infinitely long straight current carrying conductors. Two. Earlier one conductor is bent, one infinite wire is bent. Here see the given two infinite long straight wires. Two infinite long straight wires, okay, bent, okay. So these two infinite straight wires carries current I and they are making an angle something theta. See, this is one infinite wire carries current I. This is another infinite wire carries current I and they bend by making an angle theta. Okay, and they are asking to find magnetic field of induction at this point O at a distance of R. See the question here. Two wires, otherwise one wire bent also not wrong. So two wires carrying current I, infinite wires. Now the target is to find out field at O. Find B at O, that is shown in figure. So this is the target. Okay. Here, this angle is theta by 2. Okay, and due to this, this is outward. Due to this outward, just if I hold my hand like this, here this side fingers will move in, other side finger will come out. Okay, tip edge right side in, tip edge left side out. Okay, tip edge, which side the tip is moving, that is tip you identify. Tip edge right side in, tip edge left out. That you keep in mind like that. So this is r and this r cos theta and this perpendicular distance is how much? R sin theta by 2. So distance is clear, r sin theta by 2 and decide alpha beta. Let me do for this one. Join a line and no doubt one angle is how much? 90. Alpha, any one angle is 90. One angle is 90, other angle, see this is 90. This is theta by 2. This is 90 minus theta by 2. So one more angle is, okay, one more angle is, let us take beta, 90 minus theta by 2. Now the net field is 2 times, because 2 are same distances. Okay. If this is theta by 2, this is also theta by 2. Mu naught I by 4 pi d. What is d? R sin theta by 2. This is sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 minus theta by 2. Sin 90 minus theta by 2 is cos theta by 2. And this is out of the board. These two out of the board. Okay. So mu naught I by 4 pi r sin theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta by 2 is 2 cos square theta by 4. Okay, use trigonometry. 1 plus cos theta by 2 is 2 cos square theta by 4. Already 2 is there here. Okay. And see this sin theta by 2, we can write it as sin theta, nothing but 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So let me write like this. B net is equals to 2 already is there. Okay. So this 2. Okay, you strike off all these things. So mu naught I by pi r, this is 2 sin theta by 4 cos theta by 4 cos square theta by 4. One cos gets cancelled. Mu naught I by 2 pi r cot theta by 4 out of the board, nothing but plus k. Yeah. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. Mu naught I by 2 pi r cot theta by 4 k. Yeah. Coming? Is it coming or not? Yeah. See the next one. Again, let me draw one more diagram. See the given this one. Again, the question pattern is same. Find field at O. Okay, find field at O. They given the diagram like this. This is x axis, y axis, z axis. Here one wire and one more wire like this carries current I. This is one more wire with all sides are equal, A, and one more wire. Okay, this is a long wire, infinite wire. Okay, carries current I. These sides are given A. Let us take this is Z axis, this is Y axis. And here the target is to find out field at this point. So, our target is to find out magnetic field at this point. See, this one is along the wire. So due to this, there is no field. D1, there is no field. Let us take this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now the net field B is equals to B1, B2, B3, B4. So the net field is B1, 0, B2, infinite wire. Okay. So B2, which is a distance of A, and this is at one end. Okay. So B2, 2 is in XZ plane. Okay. 2, 3 are same. They are in xz plane. And see, for this 2, 3, and see this is how much? Root 2a. Okay, and one end of the wire. So one end means how much it is again? This is 45 degrees. This is 45. Okay, one end. So B is equal to B2 is equal to B2 B3 will be same. So B2 B3 are same. Let me write 2 times directly. Mu naught I by 4 pi a. Okay, 4 pi a sin 45 1 by root 2. Okay, only one end of the wire. For this one end of the wire. For this also one end of the wire. Okay, and see these two are in xz plane, xz. So the field is in y-axis, and see for this one is in and this is out. So this point is out means what? Outside means. So you will get outside y-axis. So plus j. And coming to the B4 at a distance of one end of the wire. One end means mu naught I by 4 pi a, one end. And this is in xy plane. Field must be in z axis, and this is in and this is out. So field must be in z axis means k cap. Okay. So if I take mu naught I by 4 pi a common, this is 2 and this is root 2 will come. So root 2 j cap plus k cap. See here I am using mu naught I by 4 pi a sin alpha plus sin beta. One end only sin 45. Sin 45 is direct value. Okay. And see these two wires are in xz plane. xz. So the two wires carrying current in xz plane. Field must be in y-axis. Okay. Field must be in other axis. Okay. Other one is y. And see for this one, this is left side. For this one, left side. Out. Out means positive. Positive j. And see this wire is in xy plane, xy, and O is outward point here. Outward means positive. If O is inward, if O is there here, that is inward. Inward means minus. Okay, here O is outward. So the wire is in xy plane. The wire is in xy plane and O is outward. So I am writing k cap. And finally I got mu naught I by 4 pi a root 2 j plus k cap. Now see the next step. Again the given same. See, next one is again same. See, this is one axis. Let us suppose this is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. And here it carries a current I, in this also I, in this also I. They are asking to find field at this 0, 0 and minus a along z axis. They are asking field at this point. Okay. So this is the center origin. Now see, to find this type of question, I can say 3 long straight wires. So 3 long infinite wires. Long straight wires carries current I. 3 long straight wires carries current I. One is in this direction, one more is along y axis, one more is along z axis. Now let us get the field due to all these things. So the field due to all these things is B along x axis possible, along y axis, along the z axis. Along x axis means due to this current at this point. Okay, so anyhow this is due to this one, and see this is a long straight wire. Okay, this is not at one end. For a long straight wire we have a formula mu naught I by 2 by r. So dx is mu naught I by 2 pi r. R nothing but a. A is the given. R nothing but a. And see this point O for this current wire is in x and y plane. This is in xy plane. Point O is in xy plane. Field must be along the z axis. Along the z. So is it xy plane? No. Sorry. This is along z axis. So z will be 0. Okay. So z will be 0. This is 0 already. So sorry. Here point O and this current wire. This wire is in xz plane. This one. This current carrying wire is in this plane only. So xz. And see, and this side is in, this side is out, left side is there, out. So out means positive. So wire is in xz means field is along y axis. So field is along y axis means plus j gap. And by mu naught I by 2 pi a by due to this wire, due to this wire current, we need to find field at O. Again this wire carries a current I. This is in yz plane, yz. So the field must be along x axis. And see, for this wire, this point is into the board. If I hold my hand, these fingers will move into the board. For this current carrying wire, field is inward here. Inward means minus sign. And this is in yz. See, I extended the z. So yz, nothing but field is along x-axis, but that is negative x-axis. So minus I cap. And anyhow dz is 0. This is along the wire, 0. Now the answer for this one, mu naught I by 2 pi a j cap minus I cap. See the next step. Now see the next question. So maintain the question. Number of infinite wires carries current I in opposite directions. Okay, the given number of infinite straight current carrying wires carries current I in opposite directions. In opposite direction, that is given in the diagram. And we need to find B at O. See the wires they given like this. This is O and this is one wire. This is one wire which is carries current I. Okay, and they given this one. They given this diagram. So this is 30 they mentioned already. And here one more wire. One more wire is given like this, which is carries current I in opposite direction. And one more wire. Infinite number of wires. Okay, number of wires again. Carries current I in opposite directions. Okay, so the gap between them is given A. Now our target is to find out field due to all these wires at this point. So this is moves to infinity. So B is equals to, due to this wire, mu naught infinite wire formula 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 pi r. Otherwise, use regular formula. So mu naught due to this wire, mu naught I by 4 pi d. 4 pi d. What is d? D nothing but, see this distance. See this is d. This is d. This is d. So on. Each separated by distance d. Okay. So mu naught I by 4 pi d. Sin 30 plus sin 30. Okay, sin 30 plus sin 30 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the first wire. Sin 30 plus sin 30. Okay, and see the second wire is at a distance of 2D, third wire 3D, fourth wire 4D. Now if we extend sin 30 anyhow, how much it is? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. So formula mu naught n by 4 by 2 sin 30 plus sin 30. This is for first wire. Okay, first wire, and due to this, okay, this is outward. Okay, and due to the second wire, there is inward. Second wire is, okay, no one of these many steps. 4 pi into 2 times of d inward. Next, similarly, mu naught I pi 4 pi into 3 times of d outward, so on. Mu naught I pi 4 pi 4d inward, so on. Now everywhere mu naught I pi 4 pi d is common. Out in, out in. So out you take positive, in you take negative. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, so on up to infinity. Okay. And this one, mu naught I pi 4 pi d. What is d? A cos 30. This d is equal to a cos 30. So resolve the component. This d is equal to a cos 30. A cos 30. And this is log 2 series. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is log 2 series. And mu naught I by 4 pi a cos 30 root 3 by 2 log 2. So if you take this 2 to the top, mu naught I by 4 pi a root 3 2 log 2. 2 log 2. Okay, we can write mu naught I by 4 pi a root 3 log of 4. Log of 4, and direction is into the board minus k, yeah, because xy plane. Okay. So highest value is what? Highest first one is 1. So out, sorry, this is plus k, yeah. Because 1 minus 1 by 2. First one is outward, next inward. So due to this is highest. So plus k cap is correct. Mu naught I by 4 pi a root 2 log 4 k cap plus k cap. Now see the next one. So again same, find magnetic field at O as shown in figure. Now the given diagram is looks like this. Let us suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and the current is given like this. This is the current, infinite wire. Okay, the given long infinite wire. Okay. So the current is out of the board. So here current is from where to where? Current is from minus Z to plus Z. Minus Z to plus Z means into the boat out. So minus Z to plus Z. Current is outward and x-axis, y-axis. They are asking to find field at point O. So that O mentioned here. So they are asking here. Target is to find out field at this point. Okay. So to find this one, at this, the field is, let us suppose the distance is something r. Okay. Here, if I hold my hand like this, see this is out of the current, and at this point, the direction of the magnetic field is in this direction, and that magnetic field is what? Perpendicular to electrical current. This is the current, and see this is the magnetic field. Okay, if it is theta, and see this is x coordinate, and this is y coordinate, and this is the direction of magnetic field. Resolve this B into two components. Okay, resolve this B into two components. If this is theta, this is theta. Okay, and if this is theta, this is 90 minus theta, this is theta. So this component is B cos theta, and this component is what? B sin theta. So the net magnetic field is B cos theta upward J cap plus B sin theta left side is there minus I cap. Anyhow B is same. So B, so the net, this is the net magnetic field B dash. Okay, B into cos theta J cap minus sin theta I cap. Let us extend this. So B is dash is equal to, this is mu naught I by 2 pi R. Nothing but root of x square plus y square. Cos theta. Cos theta from this diagram. Cos theta. So cos theta is x by r. X j by r minus this is y by r. Y I by r. So we will get mu naught I by 2 pi r square x j cap minus y I cap. And r is equal to root of x square plus y square. So mu naught I by 2 pi x j cap y I cap divided by x square plus y square. Okay. First, suppose if they given inward, if it is given inward like this is x axis, this is y axis, and here if they ask to find field, you draw a line like this, and this is theta. If you extend, this is theta, this is 90 minus plus, so this is also theta, and this is B, so B cos theta, B sin theta, so you will get B cos theta minus j cap B sin theta plus I cap for inward current if the current is moving from plus z to minus z. Here the current direction is moving from minus z to plus z. Okay. Now again the same, one more. Find B at O as shown in figure. So learn all these varieties. They given the diagram. This is the current carrying conductor, carries current I. They are giving this is A, this is O. 30. They mention everything. They given this diagram, and this also given 30. So they are asking to find magnetic field at this O. Okay. See, to get this one, again the same formula. Our formula is mu naught I by 4 pi d sin alpha plus sin beta. But in sin alpha, sin beta, alpha is clockwise angle, beta is anti-clockwise angle. And that D is the perpendicular distance from the wire. D is the perpendicular distance from the wire. So here, resolve this A into some components. So perpendicular distance for this wire, A is not a perpendicular distance. So A cos 30 is perpendicular distance. So distance is clear. A cos 30. So A root 3 A by 2. Distance is clear. Now the next target is to decide alpha, beta. Alpha is for our straight conductors, alpha is the clockwise angle, beta is anti-clockwise angle. So here, this is alpha, clockwise angle. From this perpendicular bisector, from this one you take alpha and beta both. So this is alpha. So alpha is 60 and coming to the beta, beta is the bottom end, alpha is the top end. So alpha 60. Beta to the lower end is 30. To the lower end is 30. But in what direction I am moving? If I move again clockwise, I am getting 30. But beta must be moved in anti-clockwise direction. So beta anti-clockwise means just you take the negative sign, minus 30. So for this type of questions, alpha 60 and beta is the negative 30. Because you are moving both are in same direction. But beta must be moved in opposite to the alpha. So to get the opposite sign, you take just minus sign and alpha beta are clear. Now the B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d, 4 pi d root 3 a by 2 sine 60 sine 30. So regular formula sin alpha plus sin beta. So for this type of question, sin alpha minus sin beta like that. So alpha clockwise, beta also you are moving clockwise, but beta must be anti-clockwise angle. So beta is anti-clockwise means what? Beta is minus 30. So this is 2 cancel and B is equals to 2. Let me write mu naught I by 4 pi root 3a root 3. Now mu naught I by 4 pi a, if you multiply root 3 inside, so 1 minus 1 by root 3 into the board. For this one, into the board. Okay. See again the same, one more question. The given current wire like this, infinite wire. Infinite wires. Okay. They are asking, this is given 37. They are asking to find field at this point at a distance of A. Now this is the question. Find magnetic field at O as shown in figure. Find magnetic field at O as shown in figure. So your target is to identify D value, means perpendicular distance from the wire, and alpha value, beta value. Okay. So to solve this type of question, from this point you draw a parallel line for this. Just you extend this line and drop a parallel, means you draw a parallel line. Draw the parallel line. And see, this is 37, this is 90, and see, this is 53. And if you drop a normal, this is 90 and this must be again 37. Use the geometry correctly. A and this is what? A cos 37. So what is a D? A cos 37. So cos 37 you know 3, 4, 5, 4 by 5. Okay. So 4A by 5 cos. And alpha, for this one it is moved to the infinity. So alpha is 90. Alpha is 90. And beta to the lower end, other end. Beta is 37, but you are moving again clockwise. But beta must be anti-clockwise angle. So alpha 90, beta minus 37. Now the formula mu naught I by 4 pi d 4a by 5 1 minus sin 37 3 by 5. Again for this one, this is into the board. So into the board. So you will get 5 mu naught I by 16 pi a 2 by 5. So mu naught I by 8 pi a into the board. Okay. See the next. They given the wires like this. Again the target is same. These two makes an angle 90 degrees. Carries current I. Infinite long wires. So question 36. Find magnetic field at O as shown in figure. You try this. So find magnetic field at O as shown in figure. So let me find for this wire. Okay, for 2 wires you will get the 2 times of answer. So let me draw a parallel line and extend like this. And here, see, this is 45, 45. Here also 45. So this is A cos 45, A by root 2. So D is clear, A by root 2. And here alpha means this is alpha and this is beta. So alpha 90, beta minus 45. Because alpha beta both are in same direction. That's why beta is taken as a negative. Now B due to this system 2 times, because 2 wires, this wire and this wire, same distances with same angles. So I am using directly 2 times of mu naught I by 4 pi A by root 2 sin 91, and this is 1 by root 2. And for this one invert, for this also invert into the board. Nothing but minus k cap. Now this take root 2 mu naught I by 4 by A. Okay. 1 minus 1 by root 2 minus k cap mu naught I by 4 by A 2 root 2 minus 2. Otherwise if you take 2 out, root 2 minus, okay, 2 root 2 minus 2, otherwise minus k. You try one more question. Try this. This is also given 45. Find field at this point. At a distance again A. So the question pattern is same. Magnetic field at point O, as shown in figure. So plenty of questions. So let me try maximum questions here. Due to this wire there is no field, and due to this again it is what? If it is 45, if you draw a parallel line and if you extend, you will get how much again? This is again A by root 2 like a previous problem. But here only one wire is possible. There is no 2 number. See, if D is A by root 2, alpha of 90, beta 45. Here there is no 2 for this problem, for this one. And here answer is, okay, so root 2 mu naught I by 4 pi A root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So mu naught I by 4 pi A root 2 minus 1, and for this again invert minus k cap. Let us see one more good question. See, again we need to find magnetic field at point O as shown in figure. Find magnetic field at point O as shown in figure. See, the given figure is looks like this. They given like a star shaped object. 12 wires are joined to form as a star. Like you know in current electricity, 12 wires are joined to form as a skeleton cube. Then you know the resistance at the edges, at the same side, all those things. Here also the same thing. 12 wires each carries current I joined to form like a star. See, this is the given this diagram. Yeah. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12 wires. 12 wires, each carries current I in same direction. Length of each wire is L. Length of each wire is given L. They are asking to find field at the center of this system, center of the given diagram. So target is to find out field at this point. Yeah. So see, all are same length and carry same current and equal distance from the center. So due to symmetry, if you find magnetic field due to any one of the wire and if you multiply with 12, you will get the final answer. Let me find with one of the wire. So one of the wire means just let me take this wire. Okay, let me take this wire. If I join, see the geometry here, what I am using. Here, this is one equilateral angle, and see this angle. How much this one? 120. This is 120, and here this is 60. If I draw one line, this is 30. So let me draw one diagram here. This is point O. And see, this is 30, L is the length, I is the current, and this angle is 120, this is 120, and this is also L. Okay, I am finding magnetic field because of this. So to find magnetic field, just you drop a normal. So let me extend this wire and draw a normal for this. See, this is 30, this is also 30, this is 120. 120, note down this is 60 because 180 total, and this is 90, 60, and this is how much? 30, and this perpendicular distance is L cos 30. So this is like a previous diagram, one wire with L, this is 30, again 30, this is L cos 30. See the same diagram, just convert this diagram into earlier problem. So L is the length, I is the current. Then due to this, anyhow, due to symmetry, see this is for one wire, for all 12 wires, just to multiply directly 12, let me write here. B net is 12 times of mu naught I by 4 pi L cos 30, L root 3 by 2. And what is alpha? Alpha is 60, beta is minus 30. See, this is beta. 60, sin 60 minus sin 30, root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, and 2 cancel. Okay, 4, this is 3, if you multiply 3, or this root 3, you can write root 3 mu naught I by pi L root 3 minus 1. Now the answer for this, mu naught I by pi L 3 minus root 3 into the board, otherwise minus k cap. So pi L, so mu naught by pi L 3 minus root 3 minus k cap.